Hello everyone, this is Ayushi Verma from Investor Learn Academy, and today we are here on cryptoTV to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So during the analysis, I'll be using the daily chart, looking at a lot of things. We'll start with the trend, try to find out the support and resistance levels. We will also look at the RSI and moving averages level too. So quickly, I'll be moving towards the levels of Bitcoin first. Okay, now the current market price of Bitcoin is trading at 36,950. And if you just look at the trend, so here we are getting the downtrend, a bearish trend, which means the price is continuously making the formation of lower lows and lower highs. Here I'm using the moving averages, which are the exponential moving averages for three different time frames: 50 days, 100 days and 200 days. Now, the 50 EMA stands at 42,772. If you look at the 100 EMA, the level comes out to be 46,317. 200 EMA stands at 47,000, approximately 100. So if you just look at the current market price of Bitcoin, which is far below than all the three moving averages, so that also confirms that yes, we are into a downtrend. Now the downtrend also confirms, from the RSI level also. So the RSI is currently at 35. So when the RSI is at 30 or below 30, you consider that area as an oversold area. So we might see some reversal, we might see some price movement once the RSI starts moving, towards the upside. If I talk about the daily support and resistance level, so support 1 stands at 35,335. Support 2 stands at 29,713, resistance 1 stands at 41,211 and resistance 2 stands at 45,332. Now quickly moving to the chart of Bitcoin, and let's see what we are getting it from the chart. Okay, now this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you just look at this trend, so this is the downtrend which I was talking about. Here you can see the RSI is again going towards the lower level, towards the downside, and this downward trend line is acting as a resistance as of now for this Bitcoin chart. And this trend line is working very nicely. Why? Because every time the price tries to break this particular trend line, and it failed. Here also, even if you have seen our yesterday's video, so at that particular time we had a very small red candle, and we were also talking about this thing that this is a time where we might see two things. One, if the price breaks this particular trend line, so we might see reversal in the trend, but there is a very high probability that the price will fall from this level. Why? Because the trend is in the downtrend, and we might see more fall in the Bitcoin price. So yes, yesterday it fell down more than 4%, somewhere around 5, and today also even it is like, as of now, it's like more than 1% fall. So that is something, this trend line is acting very nicely as a resistance. Even the price is now approaching the support 1, which is 35,335. Now here I am using the two moving averages of 100 and 200 days. So we recently got a crossover into these two moving averages. Now what we are waiting from the moving averages is to get good divergence between these two lines. The moment we are getting good divergence, or when you see that there is a gap between these two lines, you will definitely see some more price action. So that's how something you can just look at the chart, and you can definitely see what can happen with the price of Bitcoin. So this is the technical outlook for today, and let me just quickly move on to the second currency, which is Ethereum. So Ethereum is also following exactly the same movement as the Bitcoin, and here the current market price of Ethereum is 2,648. Again here the trend is bearish, and RSI is at 40. EMA is again 50 EMA stands at 3,183. 100 EMA stands at 3,445. 200 EMA stands at 3,352. So the current market price is again very low from all the moving averages. Daily support and resistance levels are again same from past many days, because the price is very nicely again here also moving in between the support 1 and resistance 1 levels. So support 1 stands at 2336, support 2 stands at 1817, resistance 1 is at 2855, and resistance 2 is at 3361. Quickly moving to the chart of Ethereum now. Okay, now as you can see, you might see some similarity between the chart of Bitcoin and the Ethereum. So you can see the price is falling, making a downtrend, making a bearish trend, and you can see that prices again, it was approaching the resistance, very near to the resistance 2 days back, and today and yesterday we had a fall again, because the price is not able to break this resistance level. It's slightly far from the trend line, but it was very near from this resistance level. Now today also it is like more than you are getting a fall of more than 3% as of now. So we again need to wait for the closing. Maybe we can get some more price action by the end of the day. And here also the RSI is again going towards the downside, which is the currently at 38 or somewhere like that. And the two moving averages, the 100 and 200 days, are about to give you a crossover. So as of now, they are on a verge of giving you a crossover. They are just converging themselves. So these two lines are coming together, and we might see a crossover. And again, if that happens, we can again see some more price action into the chart of Ethereum. So this is how we are going to conduct this kind of analysis every day, and I hope you gain something from this analysis, you learn something from this analysis. So be with us every day. Thank you so much.